Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Windows 10 build because live wallpapers need recent features. Open Settings, System, About, and read your version. Once done, download and install a trusted live wallpaper app. Pick a reputable name and follow its installer steps. Make sure to close background programs so the install can write files and register the app properly. This prevents permission prompts and reduces memory contention. You'll be ready to launch the Wallpaper Manager as soon as installation finishes. You open the live wallpaper app and accept required permissions. This lets the software render on the desktop. Next, pick a wallpaper type: video for motion, web-based for dynamic HTML, or interactive for mouse-reactive scenes, and preview it to check how it looks at your resolution. Then configure performance. Lower FPS or enable pause on battery to save resources, and set whether the app uses CPU or GPU. Make tweaks now so your desktop stays smooth while looking lively. You apply the chosen wallpaper and set it to start with Windows if you want it persistent. Make sure multi-monitor layout is correct and lock screen behavior is acceptable. Once applied, test how it behaves when you open games or full-screen apps so the app can pause automatically. Adjust audio for video wallpapers if needed. If playback stutters or the desktop icons disappear, restart the wallpaper app, update your GPU drivers, or lower quality settings. These fixes resolve most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.